What's up, everybody? This is Jay coming at you again with an update on the stocks and where they're sitting at right now. We did our first investment in TD Ameritrade at $150 and decided to buy store capital with that. And that was worth around, I think it was $26.75 when we did our first investment. Now it's been there for about 3 weeks and it's worth $23.90. So we've lost about $14, but to be expected, because currently not a lot of people are going to stores, not a lot of people are going to the movie theaters, but I think this is going to rebound and end up actually turning out pretty well.
Not a lot of people are going out to eat.
Right. And so we have 5 shares in them right now. One thing I want to mention about them that's really nice is they have dividend payments of 6.76%. Nice. They also had a high of their stock at $40, and this was last November, December time period. So that was the first bit of investment that we did, TD Ameritrade. Now I'm going to go forward to the Webull investment that we made. We put about $150 in there and ended up buying 3 shares of Coca Cola. So the reason I did that is because Coca Cola's been around a long time, over 100 years. They're very stable. I plan on keeping my money invested in them in probably 10 to 15 years. Granted, I only have about 3 shares in them right now, but they're stable. So I made my investment in them June 25th, and it was at $44.43 a share. They're currently sitting at $44.82 a share. They don't fluctuate a ton. They also pay dividends of 3.48%, so we'll see a little bit out of that eventually. So Coca-Cola is down 12% on the year, and it was at $58 a share in February. So that was not that long ago that it was about $12 higher than what it currently is right now. So I do believe that it will go up again.
So Jay actually bought the Coca-Cola stock against what we had originally discussed.
I had a brain lapse.
We had discussed buying Ally Bank and Iron Mountain.
Based on clear value tax.
Yes, based on some other channels that we have been watching. He's actually owns his own tax firm. He's an accountant, and he was actually suggesting buying those stocks, and he's doing a series on those. I wanted to buy those, and we had agreed to do that, and then I got a call.
No, you didn't get a call.
What?
We were at her doctor's appointment, her bariatric appointment, and I was sitting in the car with Allie just kind of perusing around the stock world, and I bought it. So when Brittany came out of the doctor's office and said, "Hey, by the way, I just did this thing."
And I looked at him like he had lost his mind, because that's not what we had talked about. So now we are the proud owners of some Coca-Cola stock.
Hey, it's going to work out. Okay, it's going to work out. So the other stocks that I want to mention is Genworth Financial. That was the stock that Webull gave us for opening the account. It was around $2 a share, and it's gone down about 16% since they gave it to us. But, it's a free stock, so we'll just...
It was free.
Yeah, we'll just hold on to it. It's 1 share. So when I made the deposit of $150, you only have to make $100, but I went ahead and did $150. They gave us Region Financial, and that stock's worth $10.63 as of today. They have some dividends that they pay out too, so we'll see what comes out of that. And on the next post that I do, I'll give a little more information on what those stocks do and what they're worth and how it's working out.
What stock were you talking about increased 10%? Where was that at?
So that was actually Region Financial. That's the one that we just got for free. It went up 10% in 3 months.
Hey, that's pretty good for a free stock.
But I do want to also add a note that with Webull, the stock that they give you for creating an account can be worth, I think, up to like $400. And the stock for doing the initial $100 deposit can be potentially up to $1,400. Nice. So that's kind of
a little incentive,
right,
to get started.
Right. And so if you would be interested in opening one of those accounts, look down in the description below and take a look. And if we do a referral, we actually get stock. And then if you do referrals, you get stock.
Win-win for everybody.
That's right. So anyway, guys, if you like this content, please leave a comment, like it, subscribe, talk to us.
Smash that like button. Leave a comment.
Yep. And we would greatly appreciate it. And until next time, thanks for watching this.